Hello everyone, I hope you can hear me. Just a second. So if you can hear me, we will start right now actually. If you can hear me, just please write something in the chat. Okay? Tile floor. I will actually I'm planning to do that on my big series about the tiny house in Philadelphia. There I will be show that, but maybe I will create some separate video, independent one later on. So this is about the tiny one. Okay, nice. If you can hear me, so we will continue create our really cool one toilet. I hope I hope you are waiting for it. I know you wanna see something like Zaha Hadid or something like that, but I think we should start from something simple. Do you think about it? What do you I mean, what do you think about it? Okay, so I just will continue to put my columns. So I have here the columns. So I will continue to copy my columns on this side because I remember 1 week ago we did only the main toilet. So we just skipped the girls one. So I will just copy it on this side. It's pretty same actually. So let's say I'll copy it. Yeah, it's pretty same. Even the size and the numbers of these columns, it's really same. So here we are, and let's go to 3D. By the way, guys, you can ask everything, you can speak, because I am working, you see how I'm working, and in the same time we can talk about your, for example, your problem, your questions, or something else. This is what about the stream actually. Okay, so what's going on here? We have the columns, but it doesn't look like we want, because I want to make some joins between these columns. And for this situation actually, you can create some family, or you can make instant family. Actually I prefer to create independent family. Why? Because if I will create instant family and for example in one day I want to change it, I will get some problem, because this family will be only in this project. So for this situation I prefer create new one. It's simple, it's really you will spend like few seconds to create new family, but for the other projects you already will have some family. So I will choose from metric generic line based, so I need line based, this one, and we'll go to the inside to this template. So here we are. This is plan view. I need, for example, the back view. Why not? So this is back view, and I will start. Maybe I will start on this side. We will see later on how it's look like. So of course I'm using the extrusion things. Now I will go to the modify and I will create something like that. Let's use dimension. Always use dimension. So dimension is here, and let's change to the 1 to the 5. The second thing I will make it equal, and the other thing I will make the overall size. So 150 it will be okay for the bar. So let's make the 50. Oh, I did 45, so why? Let's make the 150, 45, and maybe a bit bigger. I'm lazy to change it, but anyway, okay, I will change it. 150. Okay, awesome. We have now the bar, but actually it's not finished. I will change the position, because my middle side is here, and I'll change position like this, because this is my bar for the join my my louvers. So let's use the trim between this side and this side, and now I will just mirror it to that side, and again I will use the trim. Okay, we did it. As you can see our extrusion here. Let's say okay. Let's go now to the reference plane view. So it's here, and actually I should change the I should rotate it. Let's rotate it. I will use command again move and I'll move to this position. So let's try it. Let's try how it's working. Here we are. And now I want to go actually to 3D. Yeah, it's working, as you can see, they're locating on the right side. And now I just can make some the left. I cannot change it, so I will change it right now. Okay, let's go back. So how's my previous video, guys? Please can you say, is it okay, or what you want something else, something more incredible? Okay, let's lock it, let's overwrite. So now it's working perfectly. Now it's working like I want. So just like we spent maybe 2 minutes and we already have the bar. You don't need to create something special things. Actually, you can do more easily things. You can go to the profile, you can create the profile. After that you can go to the bars and you can change their profile to the new one, and after that you can load it inside to the project. But for our situation we don't need it, so just we will have here only 4 bars, one here, and 2 on this side. That's it. So don't spend time for things if you don't need, like if you don't have like thousands of these details. So let's make it a bit higher, like 1500. Oh, it's my mistake. Let's do like this. Let's make it right, and I will copy 2 meters. It's okay. Now I will select that, and now I cannot mirror. Oh my god, why not? So okay, I will move it so it's also working. And now you can see we get our bar. So because later on we will create like a covering with this all louvers. I hope we will create it today, so I will try to make it. Okay, so let's go to the women toilets and we will finish it. By the way, guys, if you are afraid, for example, I did family, right? You can see this is my family. It's already inside my project. If I will close my family, yeah, I can say I don't want to save this family. It doesn't mean if you will say no, it will gone from your project. No, it's already inside your project, so don't worry about that. You can close your family without save if you already load inside your project. So this is important thing, because sometimes you wanna modify your existing family but you don't wanna save it. You can do like this. Okay, so there are some comments. Can you do video that I can make facade looks better since I'm doing my part from. Why not send me your facade? We will try to make it better. Why not? I will do my best actually. Okay, so here is my doors. Just let's copy it. Don't forget, you can copy it like create similar, and let's create this similar. Okay, let's go. Let's do like this. One here, one here, one here, and one here. As you can see, Revit already automatically trying to help you place your model. If you are placing on the same position, Revit trying to make the same distance between, for example, this wall and this wall. As you can see, it's pretty same distance. So Revit not so stupid. He's trying to help you. So let's create this door, this wall, and that wall. It's already the other building, but we just need this wall to make this more understandable. Let's go to the architecture. I will use some generic wall, some really white generic wall. I have only 375 millimeters, but let's create 500 millimeters. Why not? So you just should go inside to this family, to the type, and after that duplicate. Don't forget about duplicate, guys, please. You should do that. And let's create here the 500 millimeters. Okay, now inside to the structure, and I will change the structure to the 500 millimeters. Oh, 500 millimeters, I said. Okay, let's say okay, and let's say okay. Now I'm using the, as you can see, wall generic wall 500 millimeters, and I didn't change previous one still here. So that's why I'm saying please spend time and create new one. So let's create one like this. I really doesn't care about the other building because we are not trying to create it. That's why it's different thickness of the wall. So just don't spend time for what you don't need to do. And same thing I will do here. The same position. Okay, so the one thing, as you can see, I cannot see now my louvers here. So you have like a lot of way how you can place it again here. Okay. Let's say this is my style because I trying to show you the process, not like the tools working. I don't know, for me the process is more how to say, it's really more important than just draw something like I don't know, Zaha Hadid buildings or something else. The process is more complicated. Okay, so let's go to the wall, and I will use actually the reveal. Why not? Because we can reveal it. Let's make the vertical reveal, and we will place something somewhere near, for example this here, as you can see. Oh, here a lot of questions. I like it. Welcome guys, welcome. It's everything for you. Fusion on Rhino is the best for architects to create complex shapes, you think? I tell you one thing, Rhino and Fusion, it's a bit different things. Okay, so if you are good, for example, in Rhino, I totally recommend you work in Rhino. If you are trying to learn, for example, Fusion, so this is a really cool thing to collaborate with the Revit. Revit and Fusion, this is really cool, cool collaboration tools. But the Rhino actually, you know, like by my experience, most big companies using the Rhino. I don't know why, maybe this is like tradition or something else, but the big companies using the Rhino. If you wanna work, for example, in the future in I don't know, Norman Foster company or Zaha Hadid company, you should learn Rhino like expert. So, but the difference between these programs is only about the data. Rhino working with data really perfect, but the Fusion working only with the shape. So choose what you need. If you need shape, use the Fusion. If you need the data and shape, use the Rhino. I hope I give it to you nice answer. I'm trying actually. Okay, here the reveal, and let's change it for offset from the wall. Actually, this is not what I want, because I cannot control the thickness. As you can see, this is really bad. I cannot control the thickness. But I tell you one thing, here the profile, as you can see, none. Let's change the profile, for example, to the brick. Let's delete that, and I still cannot control it. This is really bad. So no, we not will use the reveal. Sorry, we will use the component. This is also possible to use the component here. So let's work in place. I will go to 3D because I prefer work in 3D, guys. I don't know how you are working, but I really prefer work in 3D. So where is my model in place? And now I will use generic model. Yes, I'll say this one, and I will use the void form. Why not? Let's create something like that. Maybe something like that. I will check it on the 3D. So let's do like this and like this. We can make a bit inside. Okay, so let's say let's go now to the back, and I will say here like 4 meters extrusion, and I'll say okay, so we get some extrusion. Oh, it's really huge. I said 40,000. Sorry, it's my mistake. Only 40 meters, no need much. Let's say okay. Now we get oh, sorry, let's go back. I did a mistake. I finished without any geometry. And let's try to cut it. Now it's working, everything, as you can see. And if I will go to the my model, I can control it and make it a bit small. Let's make it a bit small, because here the small gap. Let's finish this model. Let's go back to 3D, and as you can see, we get how we want. It's not bad, I think. So let's go to the other side. Actually, I'll try to copy it. Hold on. Here it is. Let's copy it from this side to that side. No, we cannot copy. I will create new one. It's okay. Actually, I can use from the component, but I don't think so. It will be working the perfect. So anyway, I will create new one. It will save my time. Where is my lovely generic model? Here is this. I'll say okay. Again, void form. You can create any void form as you want. It's only up to you guys. Let's say like this. Again, I said 40,000. I'm sorry, 44 meter only. Let's say okay, and now I wanna cut this one. Let's say okay, done. So now we get what we want. When you can use a model in place, just remember about that. You can use a model in place only if your model will static. So what does mean? This my wall. I not will change it anymore because it's not my building. So it means it's static. I not will change it. So in this situation, you can use model in place. It's okay. It's not the mistake. But if, for example, I will use the model in place on this some wall, who knows when we will change it, and it will give to us a big problem. So don't use model in place if your walls or your host things will change. So remember about that. Yes, I know SketchUp, but I'm using actually SketchUp only for the meshing, because as you know, you can create meshing, for example, meshing of your city or some landscape, and you can import it inside to the Revit. So for that, I'm using really SketchUp. I'm not will lie to you guys, but it not so often. Why I'm not doing the tutorials about the SketchUp? Because you can find a lot of really nice guys who really know SketchUp better than me. I don't wanna show you something what I know like let's say 8 of 10. It means I know it's not perfect, but I still know, but not perfect. But so many people, so many YouTubers know the SketchUp or other programs better than me. That's why I'm not doing the tutorials about that. Okay, so let's create some louvers on this side, and let's create some louvers on that side. It just takes some couple of time, but it will be good for us. So let's make it here. I need it like 10. Let's say 10. So no, even 11. Like English 11. Okay, so we have the louvers here, and let's create one more louvers on this side, because we wanna make something close what I'm trying to replicate or copy as you want. So okay. Oh guys, I have question for you. Now only 9 people watching me. It's okay. Oh, the question for you. Do I need to learn SketchUp also, like I learn fresher architect? You need to learn SketchUp only to create your some concepts. Yes, you should know the SketchUp. This is answer. You should know it, because when you don't have enough time, you cannot create interesting, for example, model in Revit. So SketchUp it's really good tool to create, for example, fast your concept model. For example, especially for student, it's really cool. Yes, you should know. Actually, you should know the SketchUp, Revit, ArchiCAD, AutoCAD, especially AutoCAD. You should know it. If someone saying like you don't need no AutoCAD, Oh man, you should know AutoCAD actually too. Without AutoCAD you are not architect. This is true. Okay, so sorry, it's here is my long story, you know. Okay, I will create one more here, and let's make it like maybe let's make the same 11 copies. Yeah, it's something like that. Thank you for you guys, because if you are watching me, I'm doing only for you guys. If I will come to stream and no one will watch me, so no more streams. Oh, here we don't have any louvers. Done. We finish with the louvers. This is pretty cool. Now we will try to make, no, I know this is wrong world. We will make now interesting shape. So I will go to the 3D. You can see now we have the louvers and something like that around our building. But actually we wanna create now meshing to our like not right louvers. I don't know how to say. So anyway, I will start and maybe you will understand. So let's go to the meshing. We should show our meshing. Let's create mesh in place. Yes, this is mesh in place, and let's create it from this side, that side, to here. Okay, on this side. Let's create now form. Let's go. As you can see, I'm working now in 3D and in 2D in one time. So this is true. You should know how to work. It's like 3D Max, you know. You should work in few directions. So here is my meshing, but it's not finished. We should create here the something like rotate thing. But before I will do that, I will choose this face. And after that I will go to the add profile, and I will add some more profile. I will add here the one more profile. Okay, let's create it. And now actually I don't need here profile. I will do with the other thing. Let's go again to the create, and now I will create profile in this side. Let's set our profile on this side, and as you can see, we can work now with one more shape. Okay, and let's create one more form, and let's extrude it like this. After that I will join it. Don't forget, you should join it. Now you get like one form. You know, actually this form in SketchUp you can create like in few seconds, really in few seconds. But in Revit you should spend around 1 minute, because Revit and SketchUp it's two different program, and it's different like goal have to the finish. Those levels lines are coming. You know why? Because you are using Revit, I think 2018, because these lines came up in 3D from the 2019, Revit 2019. So you should get 2019. Actually, it's free. You can go to the, you just type on the Google Revit student version, and you can get official version. It's you don't have there any limitless. So you can get it for free. Actually, I'm using, as you can see, also the student version. It doesn't mean I don't have money. It's mean I don't wanna spend money if I have it for free. Why? Okay, so let's continue. I will draw one more line here, and now I will choose arc. And as you can see, I created arc. Let's create now from this shape. I'm just using this one and this line to create for, oh sorry, I forgot line plus this one, create. I need the shape, man. As I said, let's delete this line. No, it's something wrong with, okay, we will do tricky thing. Where's my lovely move? Let's move it. Okay, because I totally need this shape. Okay, and now let's create the shape. Ha ha ha, Revit, we are more smart than you. And let's create like this. Okay, let's go again to the front view. I will select this one and let's move it back like this. And now I will join it. Oh, there's something wrong, as you can see. It's not on the same position. Let's make it the same position. Okay, now let's join it again, and you can see one shape. Why not? We are doing this because I want to create the louvers. Louvers will follow this shape. That's why, guys, for that one I'm doing this shape. Now I think you understand. Okay, so let's continue. Oh, yes, don't forget about one thing. Please, you should thumbs up this video. If you didn't, please do it. Okay, so I will continue with this shape. From that side to that side. No. Where is my... Let's set up that one. I cannot see anything. Actually, I will select this one and I wanna isolate this element. I cannot see already anything. Oh, where's my element? Isolate element. Manage. Because I'm changing. Oh my god, we cannot work with that. Okay, anyway, we are smart, we will do something. I will set this thing. After that I will go to 3D. I will choose now that position and that position. And I want something really interesting. Let's just hold on, I'm sorry. Okay, so I did it. And let's change the position to this side. Okay, awesome. And now I will change it a bit more like this, and again like this. It's working, not perfect, but anyway, you can try to get something interesting. Okay, so we did it. Now I just want, let's check it out. So yes, this is what I want. This one and this one. Let's create the shape. Yes, we did it. Let's use a line to this and this one, and the same thing here. This to this. Oh, sorry. That side to that side. Okay, so now I will choose our shape body. I cannot see anything, but I will try. Okay, I did it. Okay, let's first make like this. And now like this, and again move. Okay, I will do this is from the top view because I already tried. Okay, done. We are cool, guys. So let's now join it, and yes, we did it. So why we did it? Actually, we can make from the one shape, but I didn't know about the size. That's why I'm doing with this hard way, because I didn't know the size. That's why I did it by part. It's okay anyway. So what we're gonna do now? Actually, now I will choose that face, and I will divide to the face. Let's do it. Let's change it now. So here it will be 5, I hope. Let's make it 5, even 2. Okay, this one I will change to the 20. Yes, this is what I want. So let's make the same thing here. Here 2, here 20. Oh, Is it different? Okay, here 20, here 2. Let's do the same thing on this side too. Divide by face. 22. Each side different. It's okay. Okay, working. Let's do the same thing here. Let's try it. What is that? Here 20, here 2. And here I hope it's different. 2. Here it is, as it is. Here 20. Okay, and last one. Divide by face. 2 and 20. Okay, awesome. As you can see, we already have network for our future louvers. Let's finish this mess, and I wanna save because I really afraid if our model now will crashed. So let's save it. So we already done, and what we're gonna do now? Actually, now we should create a louver. Let's go to the file. Let's go to the new family, and we need adaptive metric adaptive point, metric generic adaptive point here. Let's go here inside, and we will create new family for this building. Okay, so just small theory. We should use the reference dots to create it, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I will check it, how many we need. 1, 2, 2, 2. Actually, I did 3, but 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we need 3 only. We need only 3 dots. So let's do it. And after that, you should select everything and make it adaptive. So 1, 2, 3, as you can see. Okay, awesome. And I will just align it. You don't need to do that, but if you want, you can align it. It's only up to you guys. But I will align it. It's on one line, placed on one line, as you can see. Let's go to the left view. Oh, sorry. Before we will do that, we need to set the working plane. I will set this working plane. Now I will go to the left view. Okay, awesome. And let's create our profile. I will do like this. Let's make it a bit smaller. I will use dimension. Oh, sorry, not from wrong side. Dimension. Let's make it equal. And let's do the same thing with that side. Let's make it equal. Okay, so I will try to make one thing more. Here it's 1000. No, it's too much. It's too much. We need to lower the number, around 150 millimeters only. Let's make the 100 millimeters only. Yeah, we can leave it like that. You can make adaptive if you want. I mean, you can make with the some numbers. You can make the parametrical these things, but it's only up to you guys. As I said, I'm lazy to do it right now, but if you want, I can make it if you want. Okay, so we did it. Like, let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, so this is what I want. Maybe I will do it only for you. L number. Let's make it type 1, and I'll change it to the 50. And let's make it to okay, only for you guys. W, okay, and I will change it to the 150. Standard louvers, as you know. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? After that, we should create one more line. This line will be work like the pathway for our profile. So if you will just use the just lines, so your pathway will have the you know, this angle, strange angle. like this. But we don't need this angle, we need the smooth one, like Bezier. So for that things we need to create a spline. So let's use the spline. I'm using the spline, as you see, one dot, second dot, and last one. And now we should change the spline from the generic model, not its line, to the reference line. Just click here and you will see this is like a green one. Now let's choose our profile and control, just hold the control and line, and after that create the form. As you can see, we now get the form. If I will change position of this dot, now everything should be work. As you can see, this is working, but it's crashed with my dimensions. Why it's crashed? Actually because I did it wrong. So let's say I'll do on the right side. I will delete all the dimensions now, but I don't touch the line. And here is my profile, and I will delete it too. I will create a new one. I need now only dot one. This plane. Let's select. I need this plane. Where is my plane? This my plane. Okay, I will go the same. I will do the same things. I will go again to the left side. I will create again the new model. Everything same. I will use dimension. Let's make it equal. Let's do one more dimension. Let's make it equal to. I will again use dimension. And for that we already have the parameter, it will be L. For that one it will be W. So now we did everything right. So let's choose our profile, just tab key, and our line, and again create the form. And you should lock one profile. Just choose one of this profile and lock it. Done. So we are done. Let's load this louver inside our project. And your first question. So what we gonna do with this louver? Because you cannot place your louver now. Wait, hold on. Now to this wireframe. How you can do that? If you're watching me and my channel, you know I will create now from this louver like notable louver. I will do one more time. Just let's go model and place. Let's choose one of this side, for example this one. Open surface representation, and you will find here nodes. Let's switch on and let's say OK. And now you can see we get the nodes. So let's go back to the now create component, and you will find our louvers here, and just place it one by one. One here, one here, one here. It's really cool and fast. And just repeat. Done. As you can see, we did it in few seconds. It's really cool, right? So what do you think about that? Guys, please write something, because when you are so silent, I think like I'm doing something and you not understand what's going on your screen. Okay, so let's do with this thing again. Surface representation, nodes, okay, and let's go back to the create component and let's place it again. 1, 2, 3, and now you can see the first problem. Sometimes, as you know, here it's different situation. You remember when I did it, I said two sides and 20, but in this side we did 20 by 2. So for this situation we should create new one family. Actually no need. I did tricky thing. We will do now one more type of this family. So let's choose this type. Let's go to the edit type, duplicate it, and we will call like louver, or I don't know, like type 2. Okay, and we will just change the 50 to the 150. Done. It's tricky thing. So let's do it, and you will see now everything okay. It's like this, and let's repeat it. We cannot repeat it because it's on different again situation. For that side you should create it manually, but it's okay, it's not will take more time. Okay, so yeah, I understand we can solve this problem, but if you are new, better if you will do this by hand. So I know most of who watching me, the people, they know Revit really well. So guys, if you know, you just can explain the noobs, but I will just show to the noobs how to work fast. So this is not a problem, do this manually because we have only 20, so just give me a second, I will finish it and we will continue. Is it okay? So the 20 likes, thank you guys, 20 likes, it's really much, thank you. Like 1, 2 and 3, and you can see it's rotating sometimes. Yes, it's rotating, and it's really hard when it's rotating because you are trying to make everything right and it's rotating. So let's check it out. Here everything okay, but last one it's rotating because this is dots like this. Okay, where is my create component? Oh, not this key, tab key. Oh, what's going on? Where is my louver? By the way, if you are using the escape, it doesn't mean you wanna cancel this creating this louver. It's mean you wanna create on this same position. Okay, so as you can see, it's sometimes working very well, sometimes it's working not, because you should choose the right dots. Sometimes I'm using not right dots, so I'm trying my best, guys. Just few seconds and we will finish. We will finish soon. By the way, do you need this project when we will finish it? So should I share this project with you guys? Do you want it, or this is just a trash and you don't need it? Just leave me a comment about it. Okay, few more and pre-last and last one. Oh, it's not last one. We have here a lot of, and now pre-last. Done. So let's continue with the other thing. So as you can see, this is really cool, right? Do you like it? What do you think about it? Okay, let's make the same thing with this one. I hope now repeater will be work very well, but we will try. So let's choose the column type 1. It should be work perfectly. I mean the column type 1. Yes, it's working okay. And now I'm using the repeater. Just use that one and here the repeater. So it's not working. So sorry guys, because the one component it's not repeater, because we are actually we are going on the opposite side. If I will make like this, it will be work, but on the other side no. Just type of this family, it's like this. Okay, this happens, it's not a problem. So I will create it. I trying not to do this fast, because if you need this model, you wanna get the not trash, you wanna get normal model. So it's like this. So what about the model? Do you need it or no, guys? No worries, you can answer no. I not will cry, I promise you. Okay, just few more. Already it's middle. Who told you architecture work is fast? He's liar. Architecture work, it's not fast, even when you're doing the toilets or surau. Few more. And pre-last, and now pre-last, and last one I should rotate. Let's do it. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, done. I hope next will be work our repeater, guys. I hope. Sorry, I know it's long, you want some action, but I'm trying to give the action. Okay, so let's go to the trim, to this one, and let's put it here. And as you can see again here, wrong direction. Let's change the type of the family to the column type 2. Yes, you remember I said you should use the spline. You can see now I'm using the spline, and that's why I get the curve. But if I will use the line, I will get like triangle thing, so I don't need any triangle here. Oh, here not here working repeater, but on the it's wrong. So we will use again manual thing. I hope you already get the patient, and we can work with that. So just a second. So I will create fast, and that one it will be working okay. No worries about that. Oh, I should change the other family. Delete and delete. I should use the other family, column type 2, this one. And let's do it again. 1, 2 and 3. And do it again. 1, 2 and 3. And just on and on. Just do it one by one. By the way, also, if you will do not just 3 dots, for example, you will do 5 or 10 dots, it will be more accurate. So if you have the time, if you want to get a really nice result, use more than 3 points. Because 3 points, it's only to create arc by Bezier, but it's not will give you a really nice result. So like 3. Actually, we already under the finish. Maybe I will. Oh yes, guys, please tell me about the next stream. What you wanna see on the next stream? Do you want for I will use this project, this toilet, to create, for example, conceptual things, or maybe render? What do you want to see on the next stream? Because we already finished. We already under the finish, I mean. So what do you think about it? So we finish with these things. Finally, thanks God. Okay, so this one, repeater, nodes. Let's say okay. Create component. Let's use the previous one. And let's do the from this side to that side and that side. Please, repeater, you should be work on this side, because now it's not working. How come? Oh, I wanna use really bad words, but oh my god. I'll try on this side. Is it working on that side? One, 2. I'm using the dot, point, dot, not pattern. Yes, I'm using the dot. Yeah, let's use repeater on this side. Oh, it's really strange thing. So okay, I will do by hand. So this will give to me 100% everything. But actually, I'm not will lie if I will say, if we will do 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and we will do like 20 dots, repeater will be work normally. But I'm using like for each side different louvers. It's also make to us some problems. So yeah. Anyway, one by one we will finish soon. I hope you are not sleeping. Only 8 people watching me, cool. I'm not so popular. Okay. One by one. This one and that one. Hop. Okay, half is midpoint already finished. And quarter, like 2 more, and we will be more near to the finish. Like few more. Oh, by the way, why I'm using the knots? I didn't say. Because if you will change the shape, your knots will follow your shape. So it means I don't need recreate model, because my knots will keep all the things what base it on. So that's why I'm using the knots. Yes, I can create it more faster. I can create it like a messing thing. But if I will change something, I will should change everything. So that's why. Everything what I'm doing have the reason, guys. So don't think like I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, maybe sometimes I'm doing wrong. I not will lie, because you never will know the program like on the 100%. You never. Don't think about like if you're watching my videos or someone else, you will know the Revit on the 100%. No, till you will do these mistakes and you will solve it, you not will know the Revit as on the 100%, or maybe on the good position. I don't know. So we already finished, guys. So just few more and done. So what about what I said? Do you want the next stream about how to render it or something else? What do you think about it? Just one more. Yeah, as you can see, I'm doing like now from the one way, the second from the other way, because my repeater working not well. Yes. Anyway, here not much. We can do it manually. Someone told me like, you know, the Revit is like a Lego. This is true. Revit is like a Lego. You should get some detail and placed on the right position. That's it. Lego, it's the same thing. And last one. Finally, guys, finally we did it. You can see. So how it look like? I will finish, and I wanna save. Actually, I wanna save. Let's save it. Okay, and I will switch off my mess. So how it look like? Now you can see this is independent louvers, and we can count it. It's really important. If you wanna present to your client will say how much is that. But if you cannot count your louvers, you cannot say. You can say only approximately. But now you can say, okay, we have like 100 something louvers, and it will cost $1,000. And he will say toilets for the $1,000. Go hell. You can see now I'm using only 3 dots, and that's why I get result like this. But if you will use more than three dots, your result will be more curve. So think about it. Okay, the other part I not will do, because this is pretty same. We should create one more mess on this side and this side, and just placed. Maybe I will do it offline, and after that I will give you for free to use it. I don't know, maybe you wanna put it like it's your project. If you're a student, to your teacher you wanna represent like your project, who knows. Okay, so guys, I think this is finished for today. What do you think about it? Tell me your questions, and I think in 10 minutes I will finish the stream. Whew, a bit tired. I'll save it one more time. Did I everything here? I'll check on the first view. Actually, it should place a bit. I should a bit extrude it actually. I'll try a bit extruded. Where's my mess? My mess is here. Let's go inside the mess, and let's extrude it. Where's my tab key? I will do it from this side. It's more faster. Okay, here. And as you can see, now I'm showing you the reason why I'm using that one. I can extrude, and louvers will follow it. I tell you true. Okay, this is for the Russian people. I don't wanna make English accent. Why? Because I'm half the Russian. That's why my first language is Russian, and I don't wanna make the accent not natural accent. Like Indian people understand me. Indian people don't trying to make the British accent. Chinese people don't trying making British accent, but only Russian trying making the British accent. I don't wanna do that. People understand me. That's it. If I am saying the word wrong, please write, and I will learn from that one. But if you are saying something about accent, I'm sorry. This is my way. I'm half Russian. I'm Slovak people, and I wanna use only this accent. That's it. Okay, so you can see we changed the position. If you are changing the position like this, and these louvers also changed the position too. And as you can see, also it's extruding. So let's say finish mess, and we're done. We're done, guys. So I will leave the link to this model below this video. If you want, you can download it later on, because YouTube need the time to render this video and post it to this channel. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, please. Oh man, no. Okay, so I understand you. I think you're a kind person. You're trying to I don't know, improve my content. Thank you for this. But it's just my position about that one. But anyway, thank you for what you're saying. Thank you. Okay, so